Join me as I test out 5 kitchen gadgets to see if they can really turn me into a master chef. When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. With the right gadgets, anyone can elevate their skills from amateur to master chef. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 game-changing kitchen gadgets that will transform the way you cook. We've all been there, stuck in the kitchen, struggling to get a meal on the table, and feeling like we're never going to get it right. One of the biggest challenges home cooks face is a lack of time. We're all busy, and cooking can feel like a chore. Another major hurdle is preparation. Chopping, slicing, dicing, it's all so tedious. And to make matters worse, there are just so many gadgets out there, it's hard to know what to choose. From spiralizers to sous vide machines, the options are endless. It's overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in buying gadgets that promise the world but don't deliver. We've all been there. We buy a gadget thinking it's going to change our lives, only to realize it's just taking up valuable real estate in our kitchen. So, how do we overcome these challenges and become the master chefs we've always wanted to be? It starts with having the right tools for the job. With the right gadgets, cooking becomes faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the first of our 5 kitchen gadgets. Up first, we have the Instant Pot. This pressure cooker is a total game changer. Not only can it cook food up to 70% faster than traditional methods, but it's also incredibly versatile. From soups to stews, risottos to roasts, the Instant Pot can do it all. Next up, we have the silicone egg molds. These little wonders make cooking eggs a breeze. Simply crack an egg into the mold and cook to your desired level of doneness. Our third gadget is the stand mixer. This powerful tool is a must-have for any serious baker. With its robust motor and intuitive controls, you'll be whipping up cakes, cookies, and pies like a pro in no time. Fourth on our list is the garlic press. This simple yet effective gadget makes quick work of even the largest garlic bulbs. No more mincing or crushing, just pure, unadulterated garlic flavor. Last but not least, we have the spiralizer. This fun gadget turns any old vegetable into a healthy, tasty noodle. From zucchini to carrots, the possibilities are endless. With these 5 gadgets, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master chef. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see one of these gadgets in action. I'm going to demonstrate the Instant Pot and show you just how easy it is to make a delicious tender roast chicken. Simply season the chicken, add some vegetables and broth to the pot, and let the Instant Pot do the rest. The result is a beautifully cooked meal with minimal effort. As you can see, with the right gadgets, cooking becomes a whole lot easier. These 5 tools have the potential to transform your cooking experience and turn you into a master chef. So, which of these gadgets are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite kitchen gadgets. And if you're looking for more cooking tips or gadget reviews, be sure to check out our other videos.